All right, guys, we're gonna jump into the loop-de-loop. This one, it's figure eights. It's basically the Dizzy Bike and the Octothorpe, but figure eights, basically. So here we go. So around this first cone, it's a right-handed turn. Nice and easy, but then we have to go left of this cone, and it's a 360. So it's a figure eight 360. Oh, not enough counterweight. I think my body's getting tired. So if you ever get to that point, it's time for a break. Out to the outside, but I have to, I'm trying to do it all in under an hour on the camera so they don't die. And then we're gonna exit out here. Here we go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this one. This is the warm-up. It's the second run. Oh, geez. Counterweight. All the way around. This is a tough one. In between these two cones. Oh, I almost cut that one too close, and I'd rather put a foot down than accidentally cut the cone, because then it wouldn't count. Putting your foot down is okay. I had to do a quick shift, and there we are. All right, 30. Let's see if we get. Oh my gosh! Oh, I thought the last number was a 0. That would have been cool. 3, 2, and 1. This is for time. All right, go to the outside. All the way. In between, man, this is a lot of friction zone. A lot of friction zone throttle control. This is testing all of that. I'm much better on my left hand U-turns. All right, we go. Yeah, we got 29, baby. All right, guys, we're gonna jump in to the last one.